Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video, we want to show you how to protect the navigation screen in your automobile. So for demonstration purposes today, we're going to be using this navigation screen in this Honda Accord 2020. And the way we're going to protect navigation screen is to put a glass screen protector on it. And so really this is very similar to putting a glass screen protector on your phone. And so that glass screen protector will really come in handy because with your navigation screen, you do a lot of touching on it to changing channels, to working something with your maps and other things that you do through this navigational head unit. And so like we said, we're going to put a glass screen protector on it. And the glass screen protector is this here. And we picked this up off of Amazon. And it's from a company called Wonderful. And so if you guys are interested in this particular product, we will leave links for you down in the description area where you can pick it up. And we'll leave some links also for some additional screen protectors for head units and some other different vehicles. Now, if you don't see your particular car in that list, just do a search and I'm sure you can find one on there. And so, like we do with many screen protectors, we look inside in the packet to see what's in there. And so the first thing we have inside of that particular pack is the screen protector accessories, which would be wet wipes, dust removal stickers, and microfiber cloth. And so the main thing that's inside of that particular pack is our glass screen protector. So this is our glass screen protector here. We're going to pull it out of the pack real quick to show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. Now, this is an 8-inch glass screen protector, and it fits on this particular head unit. Now, this particular glass screen protector will fit a Honda Accord 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. Now, when you get it, you need to make sure that it does fit your particular head unit. And what you would do before you try to install it, make sure it fit over your buttons like so. You see my buttons here and my knobs for the volume and the channels. And so check to see if it's the right size. This particular screen protector is about 8 inches. So we're going to do is set that to the side for a minute here. And what we need to do first is get a wet wipe, and wipe down the head unit. And then we're going to use our lint removal stickers to get any lint off, and then install our glass screen protector. And so we got our wet wipe here, and we're going to wipe it down real good. Probably leave the car off when you're doing this. Wipe it down real good so you can get all of those fingerprints off of it. And then what you would do is grab your microfiber cloth. Now I have my favorite microfiber cloth, which is it's a green, lime green. It kind of goes with the symbol of the channel. And so make sure you get those fingerprints off, rub it down real good. And so that's the good thing about the screen protector too. That's going to help you be able to care for the head unit better and be able to clean up better from the fingerprints that will accumulate on the glass. So better on the glass than on the head unit itself. So after wiping it down real quick, you get your dust remover stickers to get any lint or fuzz off the head unit. But I like to use, since this is a bigger screen, so I like to get a piece of tape. This tape just happened to be blue, but you can get any piece of tape, maybe some type of packing tape which is wider, because you got a bigger screen to deal with because of this head unit. And dab it around to make sure you get all the lint off of there. And so, like I got a little spot of mist here, so I'm gonna rub that a little bit more with my microfiber cloth, with my wet wipe here, and hit it again with my microfiber cloth, and again hit it one more time with my tape or your dust remover stickers. And so next what you do is go ahead and grab your glass screen protector. There will be a piece here that you peel off, and then As you can see, it's lifting that plastic off the screen protector. Now this will be the side that you where the tape where you peel this off of, that will go against the head unit. So we're going to peel that off. And so this is a little bit more trickier since this is a large piece of glass as opposed to the smaller piece of glass that we're used to dealing with when installing onto a phone. And so we want to line it up, like we said, with the buttons and the knobs on the head unit. And so line it up like so, and then you just press it down in the middle. Get it all lined up, and then press it back down. Then you can even take your microfiber cloth to help get any of the air bubbles out of it. And so we got our head unit, or our glass screen protector, all installed on our head unit. And so that's it for our video for today, how to protect the navigation screen on your vehicle. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.